All right, so why are the numbers so important? Research from Dodge Report shows us that organizations that are highly engaged with their PMIS are seeing the most process benefits. When you're looking at this bar graph on the left is always going to be your high engagement users of the software, and then your low engagement on the red on the right. You can see in the graph that those highly engaged users, when we say highly engaged, we had a couple of those based on the poll that we just had. They're using their PMIS for 8 to 9 of those processes, potentially all the processes we just saw. So that's far, they far and away saw the most benefits and return on investment from their software solution. That's nearly 75% of those users saying they're making better informed decisions, just over 50% getting better schedule predictability, and almost 70% report better design solutions by using their software effectively. Now, if you compare that to the moderate and the middle and low engagement users, where roughly only 40% say they're making better informed decisions, 30% range for schedule predictability and better design solutions. So you can see there's a really big drop off, 40–50% from high engaged um, in the system versus the low engagement users. Now, Sharon, why is that?
Simply put, highly engaged owners are in a better position to understand what is happening in their projects at any given time. They're managing the entire construction life cycle in their PMIS from design to handover. So they're seeing a more robust reporting, tighter document controls, and better budget and schedule analysis. You can see some examples on the screen here about these process improvements. So just look at the bottom one there, better understanding of current project status. 74% of highly engaged PMIS users say that they saw improvement in this area. That's opposed to about 44% with lower engagement. And if we look up a little higher at better schedule predictability there, you know, you can always look at the schedule of your project in a spreadsheet or another software point solution and see if you are on track. One benefit of a good PMIS is that you can tie that schedule to your budget to ensure that you're on track, not only with your time, but also with your money. And you can pull and generate reports to look at your entire program so that you can see if you're on track for your construction, not just one project at a time or project by project, the whole thing. And this top-down view to see where you are at any given moment helps you to make better decisions faster.
Absolutely. You'll find that as you dive further into the report, there's a consistent connection between owners who are very actively engaged and those who are more successful. However, I do have a caveat to mention with that high engagement. The majority of organizations that are in the highly engaged category have also been using the software for at least 5 years. So they've had it rolled out and they've been very, very active users within that software program. So don't feel bad if you're exploring software adoption or you're still getting up to speed. Here at Projectmates or whatever construction program management software you're using, the most important thing is getting it off the ground. And really, your success is going to come with consistency and support using that software, that program management on a daily basis, and getting the support you need to actively run it the way you need to is very important. Understand that here at Projectmates, we're here to help you 100%